Hello students, in the last class we discussed about the binding energy curve, nuclear fusion and nuclear fusion. In this day we have to discuss about the radioactivity. Radioactivity, the phenomenon of radioactivity is first observed by the scientist Henry Becquerel. The phenomenon of radioactivity is first observed by the scientist Henry Becquerel. In the year of 1896, the phenomenon of radioactivity is first observed by the scientist Henry Becquerel in the year of 1896. The radioactivity is a nuclear phenomenon. It is the phenomenon of disintegration of a heavily charged particle by emissions of certain type of radiations are known as the radioactivity. The phenomenon of disintegration of a heavily charged nucleus by emission of certain type of radiations is known as the radioactivity. When radioactivity takes place, there are three types of rays are emitted on the nucleus. They are alpha, beta and gamma. When the nucleus undergoes radioactivity, it emits three types of radiations: alpha, beta and gamma. Alpha and beta into particles. Next is gamma is the radiations. Radioactive element alpha emit ಮಾಡ್ತೈತಿ ಅಥವಾ beta emit ಮಾಡ್ತೈತಿ. ಎರಡು ಒಂದೇ at a time emit ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ. It may emit alpha or beta, then gamma. Alpha or next gamma radiation emit ಮಾಡ್ತೈತಿ. Beta radiation emit ಮಾಡ್ತದ. Next steps ಒಳಗ gamma radiation emit ಮಾಡ್ತೈತಿ. Next one, the element which shows radioactive property. The element which shows radioactivity property, that element known as a radioactive material. Okay, radioactive elements or materials antane kariti. For example, uranium, radium, thorium, the material which emits alpha, beta or gamma radiation are known as the elements ಏನಂತಕ್ಕಂಥವ radioactive material. ಏನಂತಕ್ಕಂಥವ radioactive material ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. Next concept is nature of radio or nature of radioactive rays. Nature of radioactive rays. Radioactive rays nature study ಮಾಡಕ ಒಂದು small experiment conduct ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಯಾರಿ Henry Becquerel. He took a small lead box. Middle ಒಳಗೆ ಒಂದು ಹೋಲ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ radioactive element ಅನ್ನು ಇಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಯಾವುದೇನ ಯುರೇನಿಯಂ radioactive element. Next ಇದಕ್ಕ electric plate ಈಗ ಪ್ಯಾರಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಿಕಲ್ ಪ್ಲೇಟ್ ಇರ್ತದೆ, ಮೇಲ್ಗಡೆ ಫೋಟೋಗ್ರಾಫಿಕ್ ಪ್ಲೇಟ್ ಅಪೋಸಿಟ್ ಟು ಲೆಡ್ ಬಾಕ್ಸ್. ಇದೇಂದ್ರಿಂದ ಫೋಟೋಗ್ರಾಫಿಕ್ ಪ್ಲೇಟ್. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೇನು ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ? ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಫೀಲ್ಡ್ ಇದೇನು ಲೆಡ್ ಬಾಕ್ಸ್. ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಸ್ಯಾಂಪಲ್ ಆಫ್ ರೇಡಿಯೋ ಆಕ್ಟಿವ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಅನ್ನ ತಗೊಂಡ ಈ ಲೆಡ್ ಬಾಕ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ? ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಫೀಲ್ಡ್ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಅಪೋಸಿಟ್ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ? ಫೋಟೋಗ್ರಾಫಿಕ್ ಪ್ಲೇಟ್ ಅನ್ನ ಇಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಹೌದಾ? when the electric field is applied, some rays are bent or some rays are bent towards the negative side of the electric plate on the photographic plate. ಕೆಲವೊಂದು ರೇಸ್ಗಳು ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಫೀಲ್ಡ್ ಕಡೆ ಬಾರ್ತವೆ. when the electric field is applied, these particles are known as alpha particles. ಇವ ಏನಪ್ಪಾ? alpha particles ಹೇಗೆ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಆಗಿರುವ? positively charged. when the electric field is applied, some rays bends towards the negative side of the photographic plate. They are known as the alpha particles. And some rays are bent. Positive plate of the electric field. They are known as beta particles. They are negatively charged. Next, some other rays are, they do not affect any electric field and moves straight. Do not bend positive and negative side of the electric plate. They are known as gamma rays. These rays are known as gamma rays. They do not have any positive charge and negative charge. Gamma rays are positive charge illa, negative charge illa. ನೋಡಿ, when the small radioactive element uranium is kept on the lead box and apply the electric field and opposite the photographic plate is fitted. When the electric field is applied, some rays from the radioactive element are bent negative plate or a negative side of the photographic plate. Negative side of the electric field. They are known as a positively charged. They are called as a alpha particle. When the electric field is applied, some rays are bent towards the positive side of the electric plate. Hence they are charged. They are negatively charged. They are known as a beta radiations. Some rays, they do not affect electric plate. They go straight. These rays are known as gamma rays. Next concept is properties of alpha and beta and gamma rays. First one is alpha particle or alpha rays. The alpha particles are the positively charged. Alpha particles are positively charged particles. The alpha particles are the positive charge. Positive charge ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಇವು ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ electric field ಕಡೆ ಏನಾಗ್ತಾವ್ರಿ bend ಆಗ್ತಾವ. Next one is the ionization power. Ionization power. The ionization power of alpha particle is 100 times greater than the beta particle and 10,000 times greater than the gamma radiation. ಹೌದಾ? ಅಯನೈಸೇಷನ್ ಪವರ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ ರಿಮೂವ್ ಮಾಡೋ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿ ಪವರ್. ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ ರಿಮೂವ್ ಆನ್ ದಿ ಸರ್ಫೇಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ metal. Next one is a penetrating power. Penetrating power. The penetrating power ಅಂದ್ರೆ ವಸ್ತುವಿನ ಮೂಲಕ ಪಾಸ್ ಹಾದು ಹೋಗೋ ಕೆಪಾಸಿಟಿ ಅನ್ನೋದು. ಹೌದಾ? ಪೆನಿಟ್ರೇಷನ್ ಪವರ್ ಆಫ್ ಅಲ್ಫಾ ಪಾರ್ಟಿಕಲ್ is very low as compared to alpha, beta and gamma particle. The penetration property of the alpha particle is very low. Next one is the mass. The mass of alpha particle. The mass of the alpha particle is given by 6.645 into 10 to the power minus 27 kg. The mass of the alpha particle is given by 6.645 into 10 to the power 20 minus 27 kg. And charge of alpha particle is given by 3.2 into 10 to the power minus 19 coulomb. 3.2 into 10 to the power of minus 19 coulomb. Hence the alpha particles are known as the helium nuclei. Its mass, alpha particle mass 6.645 into 10 to the power of minus 27 and charge 3.2 into 10 to the power of minus 19 coulomb. They are identified as a helium nuclei. ಇವಕ್ಕೆ alpha particles ಏನಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ ನಾವು? helium nuclei ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಇನ್ನು ನೋಡಿ the properties of alpha particle. ಇವಾಗ ಹಂಗ ನೋಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು ನೀವು. The properties of alpha particles. Alpha particles are positively charged, means they bend towards the negative side of the electric plate. The ionization power of alpha particle is 100 times greater than the beta particles and 10,000 times greater than the gamma rays. Next one is the penetration power. The penetration power of alpha particle is very low as compared to beta and gamma radiation. Then the mass of the alpha particle is given by 6.645 into 10 to the power of minus 27 kg and mass of electron is given by 3.2 into 10 to the power of minus 19 kg. Hence they are identified as the helium nuclei. Next one, property ಬರ್ತೈತಿ. The velocity of the alpha particle is given by 10 to the power of 7 meter per second. The velocity of the alpha particle is given by 10 to the power of 7 meter per second. Next one. Second one ಯಾವ್ದು? First one alpha, second one beta. Properties of beta particle. From the experiment ಏನಾಗೈತಿ? The beta particles are bent towards the positive side of the electric plate. Hence they are negatively charged particle. beta particles are the negatively charged particles. The ionization power of beta particle is 1/100 times smaller than the alpha particle and 100 times greater than the gamma particle. This one is alpha. Next one, the penetration power of the penetrating power of beta ray is more than the alpha particle. The penetration power of the beta particle is more than the alpha particle. Then the mass of beta particle is given by 9.1 into 10 to the power minus 31 kg, and charge is given by 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 coulomb. Hence they are known as the helium. It is the mass basically 1.6 into 10 to the power of minus 19 coulomb. It is identified as an electron. ಒಂದು ಬೀಟಾ ಪಾರ್ಟಿಕಲ್ ಹೊರಬರ್ತಂದ್ರೆ ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಒಂದು ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ ಹೊರಬಂತ ಅಂತೇಳಿ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್, ದಿ ವೆಲಾಸಿಟಿ ಆಫ್ beta rays is in between 1% to 99% of velocity of light. ಇದರ velocity ಎಷ್ಟೈತಿ? 1% to 99%. velocity of light is 1% ಇಂದ 99% ದ ಮಿಡಲ್ ಐತಿ. ನೋಡ್ರಿ the beta particles are the negatively charged particles because they affect the positive side of the electric plate. The ionization power of beta particle is 1/100 times less than the alpha particle and 100 times greater than the gamma particles. Next, the ionization power is more than the alpha particle. Next one is more than the alpha particle and less than the gamma particle. Next, the mass of the beta particle is given by 9.1 into 10 to the power of minus 31 kg, and mass of electron is given by 1.6 into 10 to the power of minus 19 coulomb. Hence they are identified as an electron. Hence the beta particles are identified as an electron. The velocity of a beta particle is in between 1% to 99% of velocity of light. Next one, third one, gamma radiation or a gamma rays. ನೋಡಿ, alpha ಮತ್ತು beta ಎರಡು ಪಾರ್ಟಿಕಲ್ ಅಂತ ಬೇಕ್ರಿ, gamma ಐದಕ್ಕೆ rays or radiation ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಕರೀಬೇಕು. Next one is from it do not affect any electric plate and magnetic field. Hence, the gamma rays are the electrically neutral. Gamma rays are electrically neutral particle radiations. They do not affect the positive side and negative side of the electric plate. Next, the ionization power. The ionization power. The ionization power is less than alpha, beta and alpha, or 1/1000 times less than alpha particle and 1/100 times less than beta radiations. The ionization power of a gamma radiation is 1/10,000 smaller than the beta particle and 1/100 times greater smaller than the beta particle. Next one is a penetrating power. The penetration power of the gamma rays is 10,000 times greater than the alpha particle and hundreds times greater than the beta particles. The penetration power of gamma radiation is more. Then next property is it do not have any charge. Hence, it is very charged electrically neutral particle. Hence, it do not have any charge. They affect living tissues. ಇದು penetration power ಭಾಳ ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಇವ ಲಿವಿಂಗ್ ಟಿಶ್ಯೂ ಮ್ಯಾಗ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಇಫೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾವ್ರಿ. Hence it is used to hence the gamma rays are hence they are used in treatment of cancer. ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಅವನ್ನ ಗಾಮಾ ರೇಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸರ್ ಗೆ ಟ್ರೀಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಕೊಡಕ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ಇಸ್ the velocity of gamma rays is equal to velocity of light. The velocity of gamma rays is equal to velocity of light, which is equal to 3 into 10 to the power of 8, which is equal to 3 into 10 to the power of 8 meter per second. Last one, they affect the photoelectric flame and produces the photoelectric effect. Photoelectric effect. They affect the photographic plate and shows the photoelectric effect. Photoelectric effect andre enri the phenomena of emission of electron from the surface of the metal surface naginda electron remove ಮಾಡೋದು ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿ ಏನಂತಿರ್ತಾವ photoelectric effect. The phenomena of emission of electron from the surface of the metal is known as a photoelectric effect. ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ನೋಡ್ರಿ gamma rays are the electrically neutral particle. The ionization power of gamma rays is less 1/1000 penetration power, the penetration of power of gamma rays is a 1000 times, 10,000 times greater than the alpha particle and 100 times greater than the beta particle. Next, they affect living tissues. Hence, they are used in the treatment of cancer. Treatment of cancer का gamma rays ना use करते हैं. The velocity of gamma rays is 3 into 10 to the power of 8 meters per second, which is a velocity of light. Then they affect the photoelectric plate and produces the photoelectric effect. The photoelectric effect is the phenomenon of emission of electron from the surface of the metal by the emission of the phenomenon of emission of electron from the metal surface is known as a photoelectric effect. Next one is the laws of disintegration. Laws of disintegration or Soddy's laws. Soddy's laws of disintegration. एक law of disintegration अंदर क्या करवा Soddy's laws of Soddy's groups. Soddy's groups laws of integration or Soddy's and Saffan's laws of integration अंतरे पूरा करते हैं. First law is when the radioactive elements emits the alpha particle. When the radioactive elements emits the alpha particles, the new element form is its mass atomic number is decreases by 2 unit and mass number is decreases by 1 unit. When the radioactive nuclear alpha particle emit ಮಾಡ್ತದೆ new element ಏನು ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ ಅದರ atomic number 2 ಕಡಿಮೆ ಆಗ್ತದೆ ಮತ್ತು mass number 4 ಕಡಿಮೆ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. Hence it falls two column back in the periodic table. ಇದರದ atomic number ಮತ್ತು mass number ಕಡಿಮೆ ಆಗಿ ಸಂಬಂಧ ಮೊದಲೇ ಸ್ಥಾನಕ್ಕಿಂತ 2 ಸ್ಥಾನ ಹಿಂದ್ಗಡೆ periodic table ಒಳಗ ಈ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಕಂಡುಬರ್ತದೆ. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ ನಾವು Soddy's first law or the law of disintegration of the first law. That one is when the element of atomic number Z and mass number A emits the alpha particle. Alpha particle emit ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಇದರ atomic number is decreases by 2. Atomic number ಏನಾಗ್ತೈತಿ 2 ಕಡಿಮೆ ಆಗ್ತೈತಿ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ mass number ಎಷ್ಟು ಕಡಿಮೆ ಆಗ್ತೈತಿ 4 ಕಡಿಮೆ ಆಗ್ತೈತಿ. ಏನಕ್ಕೆ alpha particle is nothing but helium. ಒಂದು helium nuclei ಹೊರಗೆ ಬರ್ತದೆ. ಹೌದಾ? When the radioactive elements, the alpha particles, its atomic number is decreases by 2 and mass number decreases by 4. Hence it falls 2 column left in the periodic table. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ ಆ ಹೊಸ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಆಗಿರ್ತಲ್ಲ ಇದು ಪೇರೆಂಟ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಇದು ಡಾಟರ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಮೊದಲೇ ಸ್ಥಾನಕ್ಕೆ 2 ಸ್ಥಾನ ಹಿಂದ್ಗಡೆ ಬರ್ತದೆ. ಹೌದಾ? For uranium atomic number 92 and mass number 238 emits the alpha particle. When it emits the alpha particle, its atomic number is decreases by 2. ಅಂದರೆ ಎಷ್ಟಾಗ್ತದೆ 92 ಇದ್ದು 98 and mass number is decreased by 4. ಎಷ್ಟಾಗ್ತದೆ 234 plus ಒಂದು ಹೀಲಿಯಂ ನ್ಯೂಕ್ಲಿಯಸ್ ಹೊರಗಡೆ ಬರ್ತದೆ. ಹೌದ್ರಿ ಇದೇನ್ರಿ ಯುರೇನಿಯಂ 238 ಇದು ಇದು ಯಾವ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಗತ್ರಿ ಥೋರಿಯಂ. ಇದು ಯಾವ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಗತ್ರಿ ಥೋರಿಯಂ. ವಿತ್ atomic number decreases by 2 means 92 ಇದ್ದು 95. Mass number decreases by 4. 238 ಇದ್ದು 234 next one is ಇದು ಯಾವಾಗಲಿಂದ ಫಾರ್ alpha particle. ಇದು alpha particle emit ಮಾಡಿದೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಫಾರ್ beta particle. When the radioactive elements emit the beta particles, its atomic number is increases by 1 unit and mass number do not change. Hence the new element form is falls one step front to periodic table on the ಮೊದಲೇ ಸ್ಥಾನಕ್ಕೆ ಒಂದು ನಂಬರ್ ಮುಂದೆ ಬರ್ತದೆ. ಒಂದು ನಂಬರ್ ಹೆಚ್ಚಾಗಿ ಸಂಬಂಧ periodic table ಒಳಗೆ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಮೊದಲನೇ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಗಿಂತ ಒಂದು ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬರ್ತೈತಿ. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್. when the beta particle emits when the radioactive elements emits the beta particles, its atomic number is increases by 1 and mass number remains the same. For example, if X is a one nuclei of atomic number Z and mass number A, if it emits a beta particle, if it emits the beta particles, its atomic number increases by 1. Z ಇದನ್ನ Z plus 1 ಆಗತ್ರಿ. mass number ಏನಾಗತ್ರಿ ಹಾಗೆ remains same. ಈಗ ಆಗೋದು ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ 1 beta particle ಹೊರಗೆ ಅವರ 1 electron ಹೊರಗಡೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. for example ಇದೇ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ thorium atomic number 90 and mass number 234 emits a beta particle, emits the beta particle. Its atomic number increases by 1. 90 plus 1 and mass number remains same. plus electron. When the nuclei emits the beta particles, the new element form is a whose atomic number is increases by 1 unit and mass number remains same. For example, when the thorium with atomic number 90 and mass number 234 undergoes a beta decay, or when it emits the beta particles, it becomes a thorium with atomic number thorium ಬರಂಗಿಲ್ಲ protactinium ಅಂತ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್. ಇದು ಪ್ರೊನೌನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ protactinium ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಬರ್ತದೆ. with atomic number 91 with atomic number 91, mass number 234. Next property ಯಾವುದು? alpha into beta. Next one is the for a gamma rays. You know, when the particles nuclei emits alpha or beta. Na first ಹೇಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ, the radioactive element alpha emit ಮಾಡ್ತತಿ, beta emit ಮಾಡ್ತತಿ. ಎರಡು emit ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ. ಹೌದಾ? alpha emit ಮಾಡಲಿ, beta emit ಮಾಡಲಿ. ಅದೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತತಿ? ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ gamma ray ಅನ್ನ emit ಮಾಡ್ತತಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗ್ತತಿ? when the nuclei undergoes a gamma disintegration, it do not changes its atomic number and mass number. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? mass number ಮತ್ತು atomic number ಏನು ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. when it goes alpha decay, the daughter element is in excited state. The element in the excited state is that when it emits the alpha particles, the star symbol represent the element is in excited state and emit gamma rays comes to ground state. ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? gamma rays ಅನ್ನು emit ಮಾಡಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ನಾರ್ಮಲ್ ಗ್ರೌಂಡ್ ಸ್ಟೇಜ್ ಗೆ ಬಂದಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಅಟಾಮಿಕ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಮತ್ತು ಮಾಸ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಏನು ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಅಟಾಮಿಕ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ, ಮಾಸ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಇದ್ಯಾವುದ್ರಿ? ಫಾರ್ ಎಮಿಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಗಾಮಾ ರೇ ಬಿಫೋರ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಯಾವ ಎಮಿಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ರಲ್ಲ, ಬೀಟಾ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬೀಟಾ ಎಮಿಟ್ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ದಿ ನ್ಯೂ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಫಾರ್ ಡಾಟರ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸೈಟೆಡ್ ಸ್ಟೇಜ್ ಇರ್ತದೆ. by emission of gamma rays it comes to ground stage. Similarly idu kuda agide. First when uranium undergoes alpha decay ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ? ಇದರ ಮಾಸ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಮತ್ತು ಅಟಾಮಿಕ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಏನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ? 90 + 234 ಇರ್ತದೆ. ಇದು beta rays emit ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ gamma rays emit ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ mass number ಮತ್ತು atomic number ಸೇಮ್ ಉಳಿಯುತ್ತೆ. Today in this class we discuss about the radioactivity and the laws of disintegration. In the last Indian class ಒಳಗೆ ಒಂದು ಮಿಸ್ಟೇಕ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. ಯಾವ್ದು? ನ್ಯೂಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಫ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಇಕ್ವೇಷನ್ ಬರೆದಾಗ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಮಿಸ್ಟೇಕ್ ಆಗಿತ್ತು, ತಿಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. Nuclear fusion ಅಂದ್ರೆ the process of two lighter nuclei to combine to form a heavy nucleus is known as a nuclear fusion. Fusion ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಕೂಡಿಸೋಣ, ಹೌದಾ? when the two lighter nuclei of hydrogen with atomic number 1 and mass number 2 are combined to form a heavy nucleus helium with atomic number 2 and atomic mass number 4. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎರಡು ಮಾಸ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಕೂಡ ಎರಡು ಸೇಮ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಅವನ ಎರಡು ತಿಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಹೌದಾ? when two lighter hydrogen atoms are undergoes to form a helium nucleus with atomic number 2 and mass number 4. It is an example for a nuclear fission. ಎರಡನೇದು ಫ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಎರಡನೇದು ಅದನ್ನ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಉಳಿದಿದ್ದೈತಲ್ಲ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಒಳಗೆ, ಆಯ್ತಾ?